Okay, so now okay. So do cute face. Do cute face. How do you do a cute face? Do a cute face. You gotta, come on, Lana.
Okay.
We gotta learn how to do selfies. Everybody else knows how to do selfies but us. We gotta do selfies. Is that cute? Is that cute, Lana? So, come on.
Wait,
do a cute. Do a cute face. Do. Okay, come on. Okay, come on. Okay, lift your eyebrow up. Can you lift up the other eyebrow? We gotta lift up both eyebrows. I can't lift up.
I can only do one.
Which one can you do?
My left one.
Okay, lift it up. Let's see if I can.
This one.
Which one?
Yeah.
That one? Okay, lift it up. Okay. Come on. I can do this one. I don't think I can do this one. I'm trying to. I gotta think about it. There, okay. And then I gotta put down. I can't do it. Okay, you do it. Yes. Do it again. Come on, do it again. Come on. Sexy face. Sexy face. I love it. Okay. Now we're gonna do sexy face. We're gonna take a picture. Ready?
Okay.
Ready. Let's get it right. Okay. You gotta press the button. Okay. Press the button. Now. Did we do it?
No.
Oh, I wasn't ready. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. All right. We're really bad at this. Okay, come on. Cute face. Duck lips. Why does duck lips look cute on everybody else, but it don't look cute on us? Come on, duck lips. I don't like that. Don't do that. No, that's not duck face.
I can't do it in the middle like you can.
Oh, I can't. I don't even do it.
You're doing it in the middle.
Okay, so is that cute? Lana? That's cute. You're cute. That's cute. Keep it like that. That's cute. It's cute. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm done.